Hello, and welcome back Factastic Oddities family. Have you ever wondered what would happen if all the power went out, not just in your house, but in the whole world? That's right, we're talking about an EMP. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Today, we're going to delve into the essential items you'd need in case of an EMP situation. So, stick around, and let's equip ourselves with knowledge and be prepared for any situation. Remember, it's better to be safe than sorry. An electromagnetic pulse, EMP, is a burst of electromagnetic energy that can disrupt or damage electronic devices, communication systems, and power grids, potentially causing widespread chaos and disruption in society. So if this were to ever happen, here are 10 items you will definitely want to have on hand. We also added an extra bonus item at the end of this video. So without further delay, here they go. Number 1. Blankets. Excellent for providing warmth and insulation, helping to regulate body temperature in cold weather and preventing hypothermia. Also for creating makeshift stretchers or carrying devices, assisting in transporting injured or sick individuals during emergencies. Number 2. Tarp. Used for building emergency shelters, providing protection from the elements and creating a safe living space. And for collecting rainwater, serving as a makeshift rain collector for drinking water during survival situations. Number 3. Duct tape. Good for repairing and waterproofing shelters, ensuring protection from the elements, and along with tarp, creating a secure living space. And for creating makeshift bandages or splints, providing temporary medical support for injuries. Number 4. First aid kit. A first aid kit is needed to treat injuries and wounds sustained during emergencies, providing immediate medical care to prevent further complications. As well as for managing common health issues such as fever, headaches, or allergies, ensuring basic medical care to maintain well-being during survival situations. Number 5. Batteries. Needed to power essential communication devices such as radios and emergency beacons, enabling communication and signaling for rescue and assistance. And for operating medical equipment such as blood glucose monitors or portable oxygen concentrators, supporting critical health needs during emergencies. If you're receiving value so far, hit the like and subscribe button for more informative videos to come. Number 6. Flashlights. Essential for navigation and signaling in low light or nighttime conditions, aiding in search and rescue efforts. Provides a reliable and portable light source for tasks such as map reading, emergency repairs, and maintaining situational awareness during power outages or off-grid scenarios. Number 7. Candles. A much-needed light source for illumination during power outages or off-grid situations, providing essential visibility and safety. As a heat source for warmth and comfort, particularly in colder environments where maintaining body temperature is critical for survival. Number 8. Lighters and matches. For fire-starting capabilities, for cooking, warmth, and signaling purposes, which are crucial for survival in outdoor or emergency situations. Their reliability and ease of use, as matches and lighters offer a convenient and portable means of starting fires compared to other methods, making them essential for survival preparedness. Number 9. Toilet paper. For hygiene and sanitation maintenance, especially in situations where running water and proper facilities may not be readily available. gives a comfort and morale boost, as having access to toilet paper can help maintain a sense of normalcy and well-being during challenging survival scenarios. Number 10. Kerosene. Storing kerosene for survival situations is important because it can be used as a reliable fuel for lamps and heaters, providing essential light and warmth during emergencies. In addition, kerosene can also be used as a backup fuel for cooking stoves, ensuring access to hot meals when other fuel sources are unavailable. And now our bonus item. Stock up on flint. In addition to lighters and matches, storing flint for survival situations is important because it provides a reliable means to start a fire, which is crucial for warmth, cooking food, and signaling for help. Also, flint is durable and can be used repeatedly, making it a long-lasting and dependable fire-starting tool in emergency situations. And there you have it. We've just explored the essential items you'd need in case of an EMP situation. Remember, knowledge is power, and being prepared is always the best strategy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with your friends and family. It might just be the video that saves the day. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more fascinating and informative content. Until next time, stay safe.